This is my client Lindsay, and today I'm doing glam makeup on her. Lindsay completely trusted me and told me I could do whatever I wanted. I moisturized her face with the Emberly's moisturizer, and then I used the glow lotion from L'Oreal right on top. As you can see, her eyebrows are gorgeous, so I'm just using a little bit of eyebrow gel and I filled them in very slightly. I'm prepping her eyelid with the color Swan from the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and then I set them with some translucent powder. Now, sometimes when I have clients sit down and say that they want glam, they don't actually mean glam, but I could tell that Lindsay really meant it. I want the tops of Lindsay's eyes to really pop, so I'm using the color Starlight from Stila. Then I'm using a medium tone brown in the outer 1/4 of her eye just to smoke it out a bit. BK Beauty just sent me some of their new lashes, so I'm using Stiletto. These are more of a glam lash and they looked so beautiful on her eyes. While her eyelashes were drying, I am tapping on the color Rose Gold. This is from Pearl Beauty, and it adds such nice dimension right to the top of the lid. I honestly can't get enough of this color. After the glue is all dry, I go right over top of the band with some chocolate brown or black eyeliner. And for the eyeliner, I'm just using eyeshadow. Now, Lindsay used some self-tanner yesterday, but as you can tell, her face is much lighter than the rest of her body. I mixed together the colors NC30 and NC13 from the MAC Studio Fix. This is always my self-tan, spray tan go-to color. And because this is glam makeup, I'm always doing full coverage foundation. I'm concealing and highlighting with the color Swan from the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I am using a good amount because I want full coverage. For bronzer, I'm using the color Give Me Sun from MAC. This is one of the staples that I've had in my kit for a really long time. I just can't take it out because it's too good. I just got this blush from M Cosmetics. It's called Magic Hour, and it's got a nice pearl finish to it. It is absolutely gorgeous. I wanted her face to look super dewy, so I'm using Cookie from Benefit. This is my favorite highlighter. I haven't found anything that's even come close to it. I'm also taking Cookie and putting it into her tear ducts, underneath her brow bone, down her nose, and on the top of her lip. I love highlighting in all these areas, especially the tear duct. It just makes your face look so bright. I'm lining her lips with Wherever Walnut from Makeup Forever, and then I'm using the ColourPop gloss She's Here right on top. Lindsay was just so fun to work on, and I absolutely loved her look, and so did she. This is Lindsay before I did her makeup. And this is her after. I might need to have Lindsay back to do angel makeup on her because I feel like it would just look so good with her features. What do you guys think?